Funny so long I'm going to look for that sort of shit. Oh fucking hell mate, there's another one. Clearly visible phone, typing on it, pink fingernails. She put it away very quickly and very guiltily. Let's wait for her number plate. HN23XMZ.